Hi, it's Mary Ellen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to be flipping through two new sticker books from Live Love Posh. We have Hello Winter and Chic Christmas. Wait until you see these. They are gorgeous. They're going to get you ready for your holiday spreads. I know it's early, but we do have to be prepared ahead of time. We're planners, right? Yeah. So let's take a look at these sticker books. Let's look at Hello Winter first. This is a lot bigger than Chic Christmas. You can see the difference here. They're obviously different price points. I will link these in the description box so you can go and check them out. They will be available tomorrow, October 28th at 1 p.m. Central Time. That's when they release. I'd really appreciate it if you use my link. I also have a code for you. The code is Bumble10 and you can get 10% off your order at Live Love Posh. Let's get started and take a look at these beauties. Let's look at Hello Winter first, like I said. Who doesn't love a good winter sticker book? I know I do, because winter stickers are sometimes hard to find. And this one's a general winter theme. So first up, we have a winter bucket list: hot chocolate, wrap gifts, new playlist, new hobby, ice skating, decorate, game night, treat yourself, PJ day, build a snowman, bake cookies, write a letter. And then down here, we have some washi tapes, and here's some habit trackers here. In Live Love Posh's sticker books, you're always going to get 2 pages of each. I mean, not always, but typically you're going to get 2 pages of each design. And I love that because you never run out of your favorite stickers. I mean, you will eventually, but you know what I mean. So those are on paper. These are also on paper. We've seen these before in the fall sticker book, but these are different colors. I just used these in a spread and it is so cute. And then we have little pictures of ice skates, a snowman, cookies, all that kind of stuff. So that was on paper. This one is actually on clear, so you have a variety there. Next up, we have a cute little ice skating page with these girls in their ice skating outfit, like sweaters and gloves and ice skates, a little purse, really cute. Also some trees thrown in there. You're gonna get 2 pages on paper. And then these florals are really pretty, and I believe, yep, they're gonna match that spread. So you can go ahead and use these florals. These are on paper, and put the little illustrations in there as well. You're gonna get 2 pages on paper. Unlikely, but I really didn't look at them in detail. I love this one. I love the little fawn with her little bow, her little gingham bow. And we have some hot chocolate, a little house. I love the pinks. Look at that little snowman, so cute. 2 pages on paper. And then this is going to go with it. And we have snowflakes here, a little blanket in a ribbon. Oh my gosh, so cute. And 2 pages on paper of those. Okay, now we get into some clear stickers here. And we have these oranges. I love that so much. I can almost smell them, you know what I mean? With the cinnamon sticks. And some florals on this as well. 2 pages on clear. And then this is on clear as well. It's gonna obviously go with that so well. And I love that you get this big sticker to go like on the bottom or the side of your page. Now we have some more clear florals here. We have some romantic, and then this is gonna go with that. Look at these animals. Oh my gosh, there's a wolf and a fox and a moose, you guys, that's so cute. And these little frames with the florals on them. These are on clear. Okay, these are also on clear. We have these blue florals here. So, and the snow globe, a little house scene with the flowers in there as well. House with snow, fireplace. This is a very neutral color clear. This goes along with it. Oh my gosh, look at this. The jar of the flowers and like the little pile of blankets. The candles, I love that so much. That one's on paper and this is on clear. They're so pretty. I love these with the little cups of coffee or cocoa and sitting in the chair with cozy clear. Look at these colors, so pretty. We have like this really pretty night scene with the pastels. 2 pages on clear because she's the owner of Live Love Posh. If you know her sticker books, like you're gonna this and then right into like whimsical and fun. It's just always so different. And oh my gosh, and the little houses, the girls in their outfits. Look at that little more on paper here. Look how cute. Cozy winter. Winter, you have a little penguin in the planner. Really cute. Pink and green Christmas trees. Love that color palette. And then I love this so much. We get some Hanukkah stickers. For those of you who are Jewish, I think this is amazing. They included this in here. So you have one page on paper and one page on clear. And then masquerade outfits, and we have the disco ball, pop, clink, fizz, clink, hello 2024, champagne, and all that good stuff. And watch it snow, sweater weather, hard to say, baby it's cold outside, let it snow, shake your flakes, all that kind of good stuff. And then you're gonna get those same quotes on clear. And then of course we're gonna get some boxes to go with it and headers in these colors. You can just pull from these and they're gonna match the colors in the themes up in the front of the book. I like it even better than last year's winter sticker book. Let's go ahead and presents and trees. They're on paper. Poinsettias are so pretty. This page says, Dear Santa, Merry Christmas, love. And there's a little letter to Santa. It says, Dear Santa, I can explain. And there it is in the envelope. Naughty and nice stamps. Be good or I will. I've been good all year, at least most of the time. Okay, once in a while. Santa cookies. Oh my gosh, I love this. And now we have paper stickers here. And look at that little kitten with the presents. So definitely like a more pastel vibe. I love it. Look at that train, the little pastel scenes. Both of these are on paper. And here's some bigger ones for you. Snow globe, lots of candy and cookies and lots of Christmas treats. Little store. And this one is on clear, so this is definitely more like traditional and realistic florals and some gold balls there, some gold, green, and red balls there. You can hang those from the top of a box, the top of your page or like the bottom of a box. And this is another page on clear. And then these girls, this is clear as well. They are beautiful in their Santa hats. And look at these really detailed snowflakes. I think they're so pretty. And the trees, both on clear. And then we have these very detailed little Christmas shops. You can make your own little Christmas scene and you can make a little Christmas village. You can have a freaking Hallmark movie right in your planner if you want to. I know. Yeah, and then make it snow all around it. But those are really cute. This is like a little, I don't know, it looks like maybe some sort of food shop and like there must be a bakery in there somewhere, but right now I have my glasses on and it's hard to see. I know, can you believe that? All right, so we have a sweater here. We have Santa, there's a deer and little Christmas houses decorated and all sorts of Christmas decorations. And these are on clear. Again, how different is this to that? You know what I mean? I love that there's something for everyone. And for me, like, I also love like this kind of stuff and this kind of stuff. So it's not just that I only want one kind because I do like to switch it up. This is my go-to, like the whimsical stickers, but I do like to switch it up sometimes and put more realistic stickers in there. So this one is really cute. I love the colors in this little theme. We have Better Not Pout, Christmas Movies and Chill, Express Delivery. We have, I love this, the wrapping paper. Baking Spirits Bright, 2 pages on paper. Christmas Baking Queen, Christmas Calories Don't Count. More treats, some bows, those girls in their Christmassy outfits. So fun. We even have cereal there. It's so cute. It's like Christmas morning. Okay, and then, oh, and this is a washi tape strip, by the way. Is there one over there? No, but this is like a strip sticker. Eat, Drink, and Be Merry, 25 December, Joy, Christmas Squad, Be Merry. I love that. Love these little candies. They're so cute. This one is more like chic, you know? Chic Christmas. Yeah, this one's more chic. And we have like this girl in her very fancy, very, very fancy Christmas outfit with the puffy sleeves. The wrapping paper is going to match her scene. Everything here does. Really fun. We have Christmas balls, wrapping paper, tags, some like rosé there, I guess, or something. Really cute. I love those little slippers, the reindeer slippers. And then we have like these really fancy bags, which match, you know, the rest of the theme with the red and blue. Really cute Christmas tree. So cute. Love the PJs. Now we move into a different theme, and this is on clear. We have this cute little toddler decorating the tree. I think that's adorable. And a girl sitting with her cup. We have, of course, a dog in here as well. So definitely a cute little Christmas scene. And these are really pretty stickers with like this mauve color thrown in there. And yeah, just a little more detail. On clear. Looks like all of these are going to be on clear. We have the candy canes, fa la 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 la, piles of presents. And then we have a nativity scene here. So pretty. I think this one's so cute. Believe, Silent Night, Holy Night. We have these beautiful florals here, the scenes. So pretty. And then another one to go with those. These are all on clear, by the way. This says Noel, Christ the Savior is born. So pretty. I love the colors there. Very different color palette here from the last one. And then I love these. They can hang at the top of your page. Love the stockings. And then more of this kind of thing. Look at that little VW bug with the tree on it. Very cute. Little snowman. And then a bunch of quotes here on paper. I run on coffee and Christmas cheer. Peace. Jesus is the reason for the season. Santa's favorite. Meet me under the mistletoe. Christmas trees and presents, please. This family believes. Spread Christmas cheer. And then, so that's on paper. This one's on clear. And then we have some more here. Good tidings of comfort and joy. 'Tis the season. OCD, obsessive Christmas disorder. Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, Vixen, Comet, Cupid, Donner, Blitzen, Rudolph. Merry Christmas, Christmas Squad, Merry and Bright. Those kinds of quotes that make it, you know, making Christmas spreads easier because you have quotes to go with all of the really cute illustrations. So yeah, so I have these 2 sticker books. They're releasing tomorrow. Don't forget, 1 o'clock Central Time on the 28th. So you can go and check that out. Don't forget to use that code BUMBLE10. That will save you 10% off. So I also appreciate it when you use my code. It helps me out. Stay tuned because I will be creating some Christmassy spreads with these stickers pretty soon. All right, take care and have a wonderful day, everybody. See ya.